and welcome back for another video. So, as y'all read the title, I am going to bleach my hair and dye my hair orange. I know, but I want my hair done, and this whole, y'all know, messed up everything. So even though stuff is opening back up, they're limiting people to go into the salon. And y'all know Chris is deployed, and I have no one to watch the kids. School is canceled, so I can't go. So I decided to bleach my hair myself. Now this is not my first time doing this. See, I did it before. I had success, but lately I've been psyching myself out, especially when I watch bradmondo videos. So, but I'm just gonna go ahead and do it because I'm tired. Look at this. Look at this. I need my hair done, like bad. So today I will be using manicpanic bleach. It's the 30 developer. I'm using this because this is the one I used before and it worked. The reason why I chose manicpanic because of the ingredients they use. But when I bleached my hair before, I watched tons of video. I watched tons of everything, and this is like always the best option to use. So I'm just gonna stick what works. So yeah, so I'm gonna go and section my hair off, put it in, you know, nice little sections. I'm gonna get my bleach ready. So while I do that, make sure y'all like this video, subscribe to this channel, and yeah, let's see if my hair will turn out really good. Okay, y'all, so don't judge my little section. I can never get this part right, but I put it in sections. Good enough sections for me, I guess. I know it ain't that perfect. So I forgot to tell y'all the color. I'm using Arctic Fox Sunset Orange. So what all comes in the manicpanic box, you get a container. You get a container to mix it in. The developer, the bleach, gloves, cap, and brush. So the first is I'm reading. So first thing I'm gonna do is empty the bleach into the container, then mix it with this. Okay, I got my gloves, got my bleach. Once this go on my head, there's no turning back. Okay, I don't know why I was so nervous. I did this before. Okay, so I'm gonna listen to bradmondo, do the roots last because that process is fastest because the heat from your scalp. So I'm gonna listen. Hopefully I remember it. one section down. As I was doing it, I'm thinking like all the videos I see, I probably got the worst technique down. So I'm hoping I got everything. I hope I went through it thoroughly. So yeah, once I get my whole head covered, I will come back and let y'all see. Hola. So y'all see, I got my whole head. I don't think I missed any spots. I'm praying it doesn't come out patchy or whatever. So see the back. So I'm gonna take the gloves off first. Gonna put my cap on, go wait, and then I'm going to rinse it out, and we're gonna see how I did. I don't know why I'm so nervous, but yeah, see y'all when I rinse this out. Okay y'all, so I bleached it. I don't know how long I kept this in my hair. It wasn't that long though. It wasn't an hour. It wasn't. So good thing is I like all the other videos, my hair wasn't coming out in clumps when I was washing it. Well, y'all see this much, but that compared to it wouldn't come out. So y'all ready to see? So first, before I take it off, the ends didn't all the way bleach through, but I kind of figured I was gonna happen. Again, from watching a lot of Brad video, I had color on my ends. The last time I got my hair bleached and dyed was January, so it didn't take all the way through, but hopefully once I put the orange in, it kind of blend in. So we're gonna see, because it's like super light in this bathroom. Let me see. Okay, then I'll worry. But y'all can see the top took very well. Let's see the back. Woo. Okay, so that's one spot right. Yeah. So hopefully the orange going on top of these, it will take, you know, and blend in well. So we're gonna see. I'm going to put some Vaseline around the hairline and my ears. Okay y'all, so I rinsed the color out. This is how it looked when it was processing. Again, my hair didn't come out in clumps like I'm always scared to do. Like this came out, but again, it's not coming out from what I'm seeing. It's not coming out from the videos I've seen. So I'm gonna take that as a good thing. Okay, so let's see how it came out. It orange. That's what I was going for. It's orange. Let's see the back. I'm scared to look at the back. I'm scared. I mean, let me see. I think I see that little part right there, but from what I was expecting, it's not bad. It's definitely the color I wanted, because I wanted an orange, and it's like a orangey red type color. My roots are like a lot like orange, so I'm gonna go dry my hair, blow dry it, and we're gonna see the final results. Are you ready to see the finished product? Now I have like one spot in the back that I missed completely. I think I'm just going to wait it through, and maybe when I get to go to the stylist, I'll let them do that over. But so far, I like it. It's orange, as y'all gonna see. So, boom. Is it orange? It's like a orangish red type color. I don't know if y'all can see, and it's light. But I don't know. I'll insert some pictures, but it looks red, but then again it looks orange. I don't know. What y'all think? Is it red or is it orange? I'll insert some pictures at the end to let y'all be the judge. But I like the outcome. I do. I still got my length, as y'all can see. It's right there, ain't it? It's right there. But yeah, I like it. So yeah, I like it. I think it's still a little red. I don't know. Y'all let me know down below. Do y'all see orange or do y'all see red? Because I don't know, but my hair is soft. I had to put some grease, and I put some tea tree oil in it to keep it nice and together. But yeah, I like it. So let me know down below what you guys think. Is this a fail? Is it not a fail? I don't know. But I like it though. So yeah, so make sure y'all like this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and until next time, hair is gang.